Hello, in this video we are going to create a website by using WordPress. In order to set up WordPress, I am going to use local. It makes much more easier, and you can download local on their website. So you can click download and choose your platform, and you can easily download it. So let's add a new local site here. Create a new site, continue. We can name it as sample website. You can choose preferred. I am going to use admin for both username and password. Admin and click add site. So it installs the WordPress, and now our website is ready. You can click WP admin, and now you should enter your username and password, which is admin, login. So now our website is ready. It seems like this now, but we are going to make it even better. So firstly, I am going to change theme. Here we are going to choose Astra theme. If you cannot see it here, you can basically search it, Astra, and install it. Activate it. New theme activated. So it seems like this now, but this is still not good. So we are going to add a new plugin. Add new plugin. Astra theme provides you a lot of templates. So we are going to use one of them. Search Astra. And here we see starter templates by Brainstorm Force. Install it, activate it, and here you need to click get started. I am going to continue with classic starter templates, so click build with templates. So here we can see the templates. There are premium templates and free templates, and you can also see categories here, and there are a lot of templates. I am going to use this personal portfolio template. Click continue. You can skip this step. You need to fill this form and then click submit and build my website. Now our website is building. Our website is ready now. So you can click visit dashboard, then click and open it in a new tab. So this is now our website. It seems much better now and looks like a normal website. We have homepage like this, about me page, portfolio page, and contact page. You just need to customize these pages. Now we can customize our homepage. You should click edit page. You can close this. I am a web developer from Code World, for example. I like creating websites and making my customers happy. And you can change this picture. You can change here. In order to change this picture, for example, you can click replace. There should be some other pictures in our media library. Let's choose this one maybe, and it is basically changed. These links are not working, so you need to customize it. For example, it is very easy. You just need to click here and click call to action. Then our button is here. You can make it primary or secondary, and our link is here. So let's copy the link and paste it here. Save. When you visit homepage and click learn more, it is going to take us to about me page. On homepage again, if we click contact me, it is going to do nothing. So we can change this as well, and this needs to be contact. So we can copy our URL, come here, contact me, and link, paste our link here, save it, return to our home page, click contact me, and now we are in contact me page. So you can customize it and make the website even more usable. You can create websites very fast by using WordPress, and it looks very good website, and we just created it in less than 10 minutes maybe, and it looks very beautiful. I hope this video helps you. If you liked the video, please like it and comment it. Have a good day.